So you want to know how to create a snowball, but you don't have snow because you happen to live in Guadalajara. Well, step one, move from Guadalajara. Hey guys, we're my TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how to make this cool material where you see the outside is like a different color and the inside is like another different color, essentially. Yeah, so let's get started. It's actually super easy to do. It's actually way easier than you might think. So let's go ahead. I'm in material viewport shading up at the top right here. Let's hit this little new button. We'll call this material, obviously, what we should call it, John. So we're gonna go ahead and hit use nodes up here. As you can see, we have this principal SDF shader, which is just the basic white shader. It's gonna make everything look white. You can change the base color, but that's not what we need to do. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna make this an emission shader. So we're actually gonna delete this principal BSDF. So hit delete on your keyboard, hit Shift A and search for an emission. Right there, Shift A and search for an emission node. Plug this up into the surface of the material output. There we go. Boom. Now we got some emission going on, which looks really good. And then we can go ahead and do the cool stuff. So hit Shift A and search for two things: a color ramp node. Put that right there and plug that into the color of the emission. And then we're going to search for the second thing, which is literally just the last thing we need, which is Shift A, search, and we're going to do a layer weight. So pop that bad boy right there. And then we're going to plug the facing into the color ramp. Just like that. So now you can see once we do that, it instantly makes those two different colors, which is nice. So to make this look better, we can move these around, we can flip them up, do some cool things. This looks super cool already. I'm going to change this from linear to B-spline because it's a softer transition, softer gradient. You can see you can do ease, which is like that. You can do cardinal, which is like that, which is a little harder. You can do linear, which is like a mix of both of them, obviously. You can do B-spline, which is very soft, which looks really good. And then you can do constant, which is a hard edge line like that, which looks really cool depending on what you're using it for. So this could be really cool as well. But yeah, so that's that. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do constant. No, I'm gonna do B-spline. Sorry, do B-spline, and we'll make these colors something different. So we'll make this color. We'll make the one all the way on the left solid white, and we'll make the one on the right a different color. So we'll do something like this. Pull these back like that, and we'll make this like a cool looking color here. Something maybe like a nice like rosy salmon, like that, I guess. Sure, why not? Now, because this is an emission, I'll turn this emission up to maybe 3, and then we'll go to the second tab here, sorry, the first tab here, and turn on bloom. As you can see, we get that nice little bloom on there. Maybe turn it down to 2. But yeah, nice little bloom on there. As you can see, this is super easy to do. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, learn something new. That's literally it. That's literally all you have to do to get this thing crack-a-lackin'. Very cool stuff. If you go down to the color management and change this view transform from filmic to standard, it would also make the colors look better as well, just in case you were wondering about that. So very cool, very easy to do. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, learned something new today. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye bye.